We're with Gary from Bokashi. Gary, do you want to tell me about your product?
Sure, Justin, thank you. What we have here is literally a living superfood for your soil or your soilless mix. What we've done is we've taken good old Canadian wheat bran and we've inoculated with beneficial microbes, probiotics, beneficial fungi, and just added a plethora of B vitamins, minerals, amino acids, organic whole food complex, kelp, molasses, organic beetroot juice.
Literally the kitchen sink.
Absolutely the kitchen sink of beautiful stuff inputs. And then we ferment that down and it becomes a building block for your soil food web with the microbes, nutrients, minerals, organic matters. Yep. The beautiful thing is this will turn your soilless mix like a pea or cocoa into a living soil. Works great whether you're using organic inputs or even synthetic salt inputs. The beautiful thing about it is, yeah, you can kind of drop your ppms if you like down to say 700 by using this as a soil amendment at 1.5 cups per 10 gallons of your medium. Perfect. And literally water only for the first little while. And then when it comes time to put your nutrients in, you can drop them down a little bit, right? Yeah. Everybody loves to be able to use less salts, right?
You should.
But the great thing about it is even though you're using less, the microbes in here break down those inorganic nutrients and salts and make them more bioavailable to the plant naturally, right? Using less, maximizing the potential of your nutrients and the inputs, creating stronger, the stronger, louder terpene expressions, trich productions, bud sites, and just overall high bricks and health, right? You're just maximizing the potential of the plant. Yeah. It's so easy, right? We have our CFIA approval, so we're in large LPs and the craft growers, and they're just loving the product.
So 100% compliant. Gary,
Justin.
Thanks so much.
I appreciate it.
Take care.